Welcome into Sugar Fingers. It's Sweet Angel here. Y'all, today we're going to be DIY testing this wonderful polish from iMethod Gel Nail Polish. They sent this over to me to test out and see how I liked it, and also share with my beautiful babes. Listen, if you're interested in these polishes, you can find them on Amazon. You know it's my favorite place to shop. And also I have a 10% code for you to get 10% off. Sweet Angel 10 is the code. These polishes are 100% cruelty free, vegan, and 9 free, and they are said to last a long time. That's why I'm excited about trying them out today. And these are the polishes right here. We have 6 polishes. Of course, it came with some little cards here and instructions. These are the iMethod Gel Nail Polishes, 6 in the set. It is the artist collection that we will be trying out today. And all of the instructions are right here, but I think we know how to put on some nail polish by now. So I guess I'll just set this aside for the moment. What I do love is that it comes with this color chart of all of the nail polishes, so we actually have names to work with. The artist collection is right there at the bottom, and I am going to let you know which polishes I'm using through the process here, so you'll have some idea of what we're working with. So let's see, we have number 112. Number 112 is almost nude. This is it here. Nice bottle. Cute, small. These are tinier sizes than normal, but that's all good. And let me just go ahead and begin the process in doing my nails. Now today on my nails, I do have on some press-ons from Kiss. They are just a nude kind of jelly. Now this set does not come with a base or a top coat, so I'm just going to use one that I have. I'm going to try this one from Memphis, but I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. So I'm going to start off with the first color here, again number 112, which is almost nude. That is what it looks like right now. I started to go ahead and polish my nails, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just talk about the different colors. So that's 112, and then we have the next one, which is 116. 116 is hazy mint, I want to say it is. And then we have 117. 117 is pearl transparent. And then we have 107. 107 is blue nudes. And then we have 101, which is military olive. And we have 110, which is a ghost ranch fired brick. And I think I have all the names correctly. Once I screenshotted the information, it was kind of hard to see, but I think that is all of them. So now I think it's time for me to select which colors I'm going to put on what hands. So I have 6 polishes, so I'll put most of them, of course, on my left hand, and then I'll do the thumb of my right hand, and let's outline it that way. I just want to make note that I will not be using a base coat since I do have these nail enhancements on. I will be using a top coat, however. So let's go ahead and get started with this process. I will be using this mini nail lamp. It's 6 watts and it's made by LeFou. I'm sure it probably came in a kit, so hopefully it works just fine with these polishes. As always, I'm going to cure them for about 60 seconds under the lamp, and we're going to start off with our first color here, which is the 101 military green. I used this top coat by Mifa. It actually came with a dip powder kit, but I soon found out it's not gonna work for these, so I did switch over to my Madam Glam in case you see later in the video that I'm using a different bottle. So that's what happened. I changed over top coats. Once I did the wipe off of this one, it turned out to be trash and just really messed up my nail color. So looky there, just doled it out. So I went over to get my Madam Glam top nail coat, and I'm going to switch over now. So I did the same process on each one of the nails. I decided to go ahead and polish the rest of them off of camera. So you'll see me actually doing the final nail on the right hand in just a moment. And that's how I finished it off, using, again, the same process here. So the other nails are done, and I'm completing the thumbnail at this time. So as mentioned earlier, this is the iMethod Gel Nail Polish Set. It is the Artist Collection set. It comes with 6 unique colors, UV gel nail polishes. Now, if you're thinking about Valentine's Day gifts for the young lady in your heart, go ahead, try giving her a set of these nail polishes if she does her own nails. Now, these bottles again are 0.27 fluid ounces, which is 8 milliliters, and not very small, not large, but medium size polishes. So for sure, you can get several uses out of these polishes. Now remember, I do have a 10% code for you. You can use this on Amazon. It is Sweet Angel 10. These polishes are 9-free, 100% vegan, and cruelty free. So you can be happy to know that these gel polishes are one of the cleanest and long-lasting nail polishes on the market. A salon grade manicure is what you're going to be giving yourself when you use these polishes, for sure. Now let us look at these colors. 101, this is the military olive green color. Yes, darling, I love this one, especially against, my skin tone. I think my skin tone carries olive green pretty well. The next one is 107. This is blue nudes, and I don't know where the nude come in, but this one is one of their classic colors. It looks very pretty, very different. It's very deep. I mean, you could possibly mistaken it for black almost. It's so dark, but it is definitely a beautiful color. And then we have 110, which is Ghost Ranch, this brick color, another one of their classic colors, and it went on quite well. Very, very nice, very true to color after it's cured and all. And the next color we are looking at here is number 116, which is this beautiful hazy mint. This is an exclusive color from the iMethod collection. I love it so much, and this is it compared to the cured polish. We then have 112. I think 112 has been called most of all. It's called Almost Nude. This is a limited edition nail polish from the Artist Collection iMethod nail polishes in this set, and it is beautiful. One of the most popular colors, I think, that has been stirring up around this town, okay, on these parts on the YouTube world. I see so many people use that shade. And now we have 117, which is this beautiful pearl transparent nail polish. I say pearlescent. It's very pretty, very pretty. And these are all of the shades. My nails are done for the most part, at least 6 of them are, and I'm loving these colors. Very winter-like, fall-like kind of nail shades, other than the lighter tones, which can definitely be used for the spring, going into the spring, but the other ones are also equally great too. I mean, many uses. It really doesn't matter how, when, where you wear your nail polishes. Just keep those hands looking gorgeous. I am out of here, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for stopping by Sugar Fingers again. Thanks again to iMethod for sending over these gel polishes for me to try out. They are a winner. I will be seeing you all on the next video. Take care until then. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye now.